Hey everyone! Today I want to show you an amazing Chrome extension we built. With InkShot, you can capture any web page as a screenshot, annotate it with arrows and text, and share it with your friends in seconds. To install InkShot, simply click Add to Chrome in the top right corner of the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, click the puzzle icon in your toolbar and pin InkShot for quick access anytime. After installation, you'll see a quick welcome screen. Just skip it and let's jump straight into the main interface. Let's take a quick look at the interface and jump right into an example. We'll select a specific area and capture it. You can also do this with keyboard shortcuts, but let me show you through the interface first. Or you can simply capture just the visible part of the screen with one click. Or capture the entire web page with a single click. It's completely up to you. Now let's take a look at the editor. Here you can customize your screenshot however you like. Draw with the pen, add text, blur sensitive areas. There are plenty of options. When you're done, simply download it, copy it to your clipboard, or share it instantly as a link. All these actions have keyboard shortcuts, and you can customize them however you like. You can also right-click on any page to access the same options instantly, whatever works best for you.